We're digging more today into the homicide of a woman in Sylvania, Ohio. I'm Melissa Andrews, a crime and investigative anchor. Sylvania police say 35-year-old Jonathan Schmidt of Sylvania was arrested early this morning in LaSalle, Michigan. He is facing a homicide charge in the death of Marcia VanDruten. This is according to a Sylvania police news release. Now, according to this news release, officers responded to the Eagle Trace subdivision at about 9 p.m. Wednesday on a report of an intoxicated driver. They couldn't find the driver, so officers followed up with the person who called in the information. That information led them to check on residents of a home in the 5700 block of Fox Hollow Court, where they discovered VanDruten's body. Agents with the BCI, which is the Bureau of Criminal Investigation, along with Sylvania police, were on the scene at the home overnight gathering evidence. Investigators did identify Schmidt as a suspect and found him in LaSalle. He was arrested by deputies with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office. Police are saying this is an isolated and targeted incident, and the suspect did not pose a threat to the public. So, of course, the remaining question is, what is the relationship between Jonathan Schmidt, 35 years old, and Marcia VanDruten, 68 years old, and why did he allegedly kill her? Well, we're starting here with this docket from the Lucas County Court of Common Pleas, Domestic Relations, Family Court, and it appears here that there is a divorce going on between Jonathan Schmidt and Marcia VanDruten's daughter, Kinsey. So apparently, according to these documents, this couple was married for less than a year. They have a baby, and so there is a custody dispute going on within this divorce. And in this document dated August 2025, you can see that Marcia VanDruten was subpoenaed to provide her testimony in this proceeding. So this is a very contentious divorce. There is a protection order involved. Jonathan was ordered to seek alcohol treatment. He wants Marcia's daughter to seek alcohol treatment. And you can see here, and this is a response to a decision by the magistrate, he says that the defendant's mother also spoke negatively about the plaintiff in the presence of the minor child, which by defendant's standards is unhealthy for the child to be subjected to. So just in this first initial 12 hours after this homicide, what we are gathering is that, again, Marcia's daughter was involved in a child custody and divorce dispute with Jonathan Schmidt, who is accused of the homicide of Marcia. So far, there are no specific charges filed. We do believe that once the coroner completes the autopsy today, then we may hear a more specific charge that's been filed against Jonathan.